1 divided by 0 equal to what? Okay, 1 divided by 0, that is we are going to divide a whole number by 0. We know that multiplication means repeated addition and division means repeated subtraction, but we can also express division in terms of multiplication using related multiplication statement. Look, 8, for example, 8 divided by 4 equal to what? This is a division statement. If I divide 8 by 4, we'll get 2. Here, what means 2? Okay, so the related multiplication for this division is, look, this is dividend, this is divisor, this is quotient. Divisor times quotient equal to dividend. This is related multiplication statement. So ask this question: what is the number that gives 8 when multiplied by 4? Easily you can assume 2, right? 2. So 2 dot or times 4 equal to 8. This is related multiplication. Okay, now come to this point: 1 over 1 divided by 0. So what will be the quotient here? The related, let's say the related multiplication statement of this: 0 times what, 0 times what equal to this one. Can you find out a number when you will multiply with 0, you will get 1? You cannot, if you consider 1, then 1 times 0 0, you are not getting 1. If you consider 2, 2 times 0 0, you are not getting 1. That is, you will not get any answer. That is why we say 1 over 0 equal to undefined, means there is no answer, undefined.